Schneider here with DecoArt's The Craft Minute, and I'm going to show you a really easy way to color stain. Today I'm using DecoArt's Americana Decor color stain in Light Fern, and I already started there. And I'm just taking a paintbrush and I'm going to apply it generously, just to small sections at a time. That way it won't dry on you when you go to wipe it back. And it does have a pretty long open time, which is nice. Makes it easy to work on larger pieces. So I brushed that on, and now I'm just taking a cloth. This is a dry cloth, and I'm just wiping that back. If you wanted the color a little bit deeper, just go ahead and add a second coat. And again, you're just gonna wipe that back with your cloth. And that's it. Hope to see you next time on DecoArt's The Craft Minute. Bye.